Yeah, hey, what's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Look here. So, like I said in the live today, we got 4 chases so far, 2 of which we got today. Very nice. Yeah, look at that. The bottom one, this one was first, and then this one was second.
Yeah.
Today. But the very first one was this one on top. And the high notice was because of that sticker right there.
Yeah, right here.
750 pieces. Which I was surprised, man. I had never seen a chase.
I just wish the truck was red.
I think it's just perfect right there as is.
Yeah.
But that's just my opinion, you know. And then this was a second chase we got. And also the number 750 pieces gave it away. I actually hadn't noticed. I had the regular and the chase right next to each other, and that's how I could differentiate them. But I hadn't noticed that the limited production, so it took me by surprise. And today, this puppy right here came home with us. You know what I'm saying? We were trying to get some Matchbox
And some Hot Wheels too.
and Hot Wheels.
They haven't been releasing anything. I think only Target has the J case currently.
Yeah.
But all Targets we've hit them too late.
So we pretty much look at that limited production, and you know it says 750 pieces. So that's how we know it's a chase. Otherwise, I wouldn't have noticed.
Yeah, and then the only thing too is somebody brought up the fact that
The base, huh?
the base. No, well, yeah, but about the axles.
Oh yeah, if you guys know anything about these model kits,
Where's the axles?
where's the axles? We got tires, we got engines, we got the wheels, but where are the axles?
Unless it's just like clip-on wheels or something.
Yeah, I don't know much
It's
about
my
it.
first one, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is our first one, and we do like the lift, but I don't know.
Yeah.
We might put it up for trade. Who knows?
Yeah, we might trade this.
Depending on what you guys got, you know.
Preferably for a Super Treasure Hot Wheel.
Yeah, Hot Wheels is our theme.
And preferably somebody local in Arizona.
Yeah, man, because we don't want to spend money in shipping. You know
Spend
what
it
I'm
all
saying?
on these M2s already.
Yeah, this already took a little bit dent on our budget. But yeah, one thing I did notice, because on the bottom hauler there is no the green hauler, there is no sticker, and then back there we got like the yesterday's haul, but there is no sticker. You guys can see the difference.
Oh, yeah. No, it's on top, man.
But yeah, I was just about to say this one does have the limited production pieces, and the bottom one doesn't.
And another giveaway is the horns.
Yeah, the
Be
horns
like goldish.
and
You can see
the
break-
wheels. They're just golden. I guess I could say like glowing.
And I don't even know if anybody in the comments knows, any viewer knows, would the inside car also be a chase?
Yeah, I believe so, man.
have no
Cause
idea.
I have
Yeah.
seen some that are like
You
open haulers.
You want to open it?
True, man. I wouldn't want to open it,
Yeah, all right.
but
Just to find out.
yeah, it's.
What else did we get today, man?
We got this one for trade, even though it has like a minor scratch.
Yeah.
But
Not on the car.
yeah, the car is like pristine. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the little case is the one that has a little scratch.
Yeah.
But I don't think anything is like
Yeah,
damaged.
nothing is loose. Usually
Yeah.
with these M2s, when I see them in store, like they're missing the bumpers.
Yeah, if you wiggle them, they'll make a rattling noise.
Wiggle.
Yeah, but anyways, man,
No,
I am really happy though. Like, I got 4 chases without being there,
Without even trying,
without pallet rating. You know what I'm saying? None of that
Yeah.
stuff. They were in the wild, just right there sitting for us.
on the peg.
Yeah, man, that's really fortunate for us. And like I said, man, these 2 were on the live. and so you guys can see like they were just right there waiting for us. And I like the fact that this one has a separate wheels too. You guys can see the two different sets. Very nice. And it is a Chevrolet. So yeah. And this one we also got today. This 1973 Datsun 510 with the wide body. It's got like a smudge on the headlight, but shoot, man, no biggie, you know what I'm saying? And other than that, we also got these two, and we also got a couple other ones, but not even gonna bother showing, you know what I'm saying? You guys watched the live video?
Yeah, did you show them this already?
Yeah. And that's about it, man. I just wanted to make a quick video about our M2s and how it's growing. We're definitely not gonna let go of this one. This one stays. This is my first chase. Is gonna stay here.
But I think this one's definitely up for trade. These two are up for trade. So if you guys want to email, we'll definitely work something out.
Yeah, comment on this video and then we'll get back to you. You know.
Yeah.
And
big shout out to what's his name? El Pacino?
Yeah, Big Dap Pacino. That's BIGDAP Pacino PACINO. Yeah. Shout out to Toon Tracks.
Comment a link to your channel, bro, cause I mean.
Yeah, everybody, man. Everybody wants shout outs, man.
David Rackley, he's always supporting us too, man. David Rackley, bro, we love you, man.
Yeah, thank you for showing the love and support.
Always, even on the crappy Lego video I made.
Yeah.
But hey, man, thank you so much. And if I'm forgetting somebody, just let me know in the comments, man.
Yeah, Forts, man.
But let's keep it short, man.
Yeah. Anyways, man, thank you guys for watching. Stay hunting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. See ya.